Welcome to How to Create Killer Bonuses, Killing Them with Value. It's natural for buyers to desire to get more for what they are paying for and for their time, and by using a bonus is an easy way for you to provide them. At the same time, the easiest way for you to convert more sales is to offer everyone a killer bonus. Regardless of your method, nothing is more appealing than a sweet bonus that will help them get closer to their goals. You should know the most essential thing about offering a bonus is that it's all about value. You're not aiming just to provide a bonus just to simply allow people to get what they want. Actually, your goal is to provide more value to your audience and give them a greater experience with you. For several reasons, the ebook is something that really stands out today as a bonus. Considering the increasing number of people with their e-readers and their passion for reading, they prefer to do this anywhere they like. People on their desktop computers may also enjoy a free ebook for pursuit of learning or their interest of specific things. Another creative idea in marketing is giving the book away on another website in order to increase your own website traffic. People will click on the link to see and know more about your free offer. In addition, you can put your links or banners inside the ebook to keep people reminded about your bonus offer. Private label rights are defined as a license where the owner sells most or all the intellectual property rights of their work. The license is used for different digital products such as ebooks, softwares, articles, graphic templates, and so much more. Usually the price of a single unit is lower in general than creating a similar product from nothing. The main reason is the great number of buyers buying the same kind of product. However, if the number of competing marketers using the same content is reduced, the distribution of the private label rights content would be limited as well. Private label rights are products where the content is already prepared and you can actually buy its ownership. This is a good choice if you don't have your own content. This would save you time and effort, and you can use it as your bonus right away. You are given the option to edit it if you want to make revisions. Using video as a bonus to create additional value for your product is a good method. Videos can definitely add to the value of your product since it helps the users understand the product better and is what they are usually looking for. Videos could be a tutorial video intended to guide or provide supplementary knowledge to help the product's users. Customers are more exposed and more comfortable with a visual experience than printed or written words. In addition, videos are ideal and very effective for step-by-step learning processes. By having the ability to create your bonuses later is a big time saver and can make your bonuses completely unique. Examples are group calls or webinars, teleconferences, website critiques, or even traffic offers. All these types of bonuses can be repurposed and used for other needs in your business. If you don't know much about the product, you can try interviews. Interviews have helped many people to sell their products. People can clearly see the value in them. People also consider you as an expert as your name appears together with other valuable people in your niche. You may try conducting an interview with the product owner of the product that you are promoting. Ask them about commonly asked questions regarding the product. You may also ask them things that are not part of their product that would benefit your customers. Consider how long the interview is and what it is the content you want to conduct. It will help you to decide of the right time and place to offer them as a bonus. You can do either a short one-question interview or long 3-hour interviews. Again, you can repurpose your interviews into a transcript or ebook. Use graphics to make your bonus better. In addition, you can use graphics in your bonus depending on the kind of bonus. Based on some studies, about 60% of people are visual learners. This makes visual tools like graphics and designs effective in conveying your messages. In fact, visual tools can even direct and influence the process of decision-making of readers because more than 2/3 of consumers regard images to bring more weight than reviews, ratings, and descriptions of products. Graphics that are catchy and appealing can help a person to visualize what it is they're getting and usually increase the perceived value of the bonus. In other words, graphics have their strong visual impact that can affect other important factors such as impressions, expectations, and perception. These factors help to increase marketing value and increase the number of sales in the long run. If you want to make your bonus more attractive, consider using software or tools to offer great advantages to your offer. Software and other tools are usually expensive. When you offer a free tool as a bonus, the users would definitely take the chance to make their purchase immediately. They are categorized as rare, and rarity equals exclusivity, which makes it more desirable by the customers. Software and tools are always needed, and an additional tool for content creation products is easy to actually purchase. A very irresistible offer, for example, is a product related to photography, and the bonus is an editing tool, which would have such a high value. Also, it's relevant to the product, making it more attractive and desirable to the buyer. Now remember, it's natural for people to want to get more than what they are paying for with the initial product. By providing them something as a bonus that will help them achieve their goals, will satisfy that desire and convert more to higher sales. So I'll leave you with a final quote. Life is 10% of what happens to you and 90% of how you react to it. I'll see you in the next video.